Good morning and welcome back to another episode of the 89 Garage. Today's episode is actually going to be archive footage of Frankie. I realized that I never put this on the video when I put the struts on the hatch. You will notice that Frankie looks much different in this episode than Frankie does right now. And if you guys are new to the channel, well, it's dirty right now, but I'll go ahead and show this. That is the car now. But I figured I'd just show you guys what it is looking like now. Ride along with us, guys. Lots of new stuff gonna come up this summer. Realistically, we're only about a month or two away from really starting to be able to get into this thing. I mean, March is 3-4 weeks away here now. Tune in, subscribe so you can see the videos when they pop up. Hit that bell up there. This side? I think it's on this side. Well, whatever side it's on, hit that bell. And here it is. In this episode of the 89 Garage, I'm going to show you how to install struts to lift your hatch. So I got these on Amazon. Let's have a look and see what we got. Wow. All right, there they are. Get you in the wide angle. We need to raise up the old hatcheroo and support it with the stick. We're replacing these here. I'm just gonna line this up, make sure it looks the same. Yeah, good enough. Just grab yourself a pick, just come right into here, pop that. It should come off there now. Okay, we're off. There's so much crap on this thing. Just get your flathead screwdriver under there. Alright, so I just usually completely remove this puppy out of here for this one here, because when you go to move this out there, it pushes the spring back on. And now that's really easy to pull out right there. Now to install, just take this, straight like that. And just take this, you gotta lift the hatch up a little bit, and straight on, bam, we got struts. She's holding up on her own now. This does not have the spoiler on it right now. That does affect these, so it's gonna have a little more spring in it right now. When you buy these, you'll notice that it says with or without spoiler. But well, all right. Now you can see the body work I've been doing on it. Thanks for watching. I know this is a very short video, but some people don't know how to do those. All right, guys, so there we have it. Thank you for watching another episode of the 89 Garage. And enjoy your week. Let us all hope that it's summer soon.